afternoon.
We're going to the early bird special.
Yeah, we are. It's like just barely 4 o'clock. Honestly, if it were up to me though, we'd eat at like 3. But it's our 5-year anniversary today. So we're going to this Mexican restaurant called El Patio to check it out. I definitely want to get a margarita and see what else they have. This isn't going to be a very long video, but we'll check out the food situation, and then I may attach this video to the videos I've been taking of our little baby birds that we had, just because like those are short videos too. But yeah, El Patio, it should be pretty good.
El Patio. We're not going to sit on the patio because her allergies are bad. But.
Yeah. No sitting outside, unfortunately, but we will go there and we will eat their food and we will drink their drinks. And we will celebrate 5 years of marriage. Yeah. If you want to see their drink and food menu, this is it. So I got the jalapeno margarita, which does indeed have jalapenos in it, and I see the seeds, so this should definitely be spicy. And Tyler got a Dos Equis on draft. Okay, so I got the vegetable enchiladas. You can see my margarita and stuff there, and Tyler got the carne asadas. These both look really delicious. We'll let you know afterwards. We just got done with our meal, and overall, it was pretty solid. I liked it.
I like steak.
Yeah, I didn't try yours. I mean, you didn't try mine either, though. But I mean, I would say that they're probably like what you would expect from Mexican restaurants getting those dishes.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, they're good. The margarita was definitely good. It tasted like a margarita. I wish it would have been a little bit more spicy. One day I'll find one with the right amount of spice, but that wasn't today. But I would still like order that. I thought it was pretty good. And that's pretty much it for that meal. So, that being said, we'll see you all next time.
Bye-bye.
Also, enjoy these videos of baby birds that was living in our gutters. I just wanted to show you all our baby birds that we have. They're currently sleeping in the gutter right there, which isn't good, but they're so dang cute. I just love them. But they're made their way out. I think their mom is hunting for food right now, but look how they're so big. I keep waiting on them to fly, but they haven't flown yet. But I wanted to show you while they were kind of out and about. They're so cute. I love these birds. I'm sad that we're gonna have to kick them out of the gutter at some point. baby birds are in the nest still.